So in this program, what we have to do it, we have to calculate the grade of the student. So when the student is entering the marks as a 90%. So now here it will be checking it. See, this is printf and scanf. This just ignore it because this printf and scanf is being used in the C programming language. But rest this further concept is copy pasted as it is in the Java. Okay. So now कंडीशन सी हियर वी हैव मेक अ यूज ऑफ अ लॉजिकल एंड जो हम लोग ने लास्ट चैप्टर में देखा था. सो लॉजिकल एंड मीन्स वी आई एम कंपेयरिंग द बोथ द कंडीशन साइमल्टेनियसली. सो ओवर हियर अभी मेरे मार्क्स 90 है. सो 90 इज ग्रेटर देन 85. यस. Then once again 90 is less than equal to 100. Yes. So this condition is getting satisfied. तो यहाँ पर आएगा system dot out dot println congratulations, you scored the grade A. Getting it? But if this condition is not gonna satisfied, the pointer will be moving for the else if. फिर वापस चेक करेगा अगर 80 है या फिर सॉरी 50 है, like that. So 50 is greater than 60. No. But 50 is less than equal to 85. Yes, but only one condition is getting satisfied. Getting it? So that means this condition is false. So this won't be gonna executed it. फिर वापस मेरा पॉइंटर दूसरे इसके पास जाएगा. सो ये किसके लिए करता है? इट विल बी चेकिंग ओनली फॉर अ सिंगल एंट्री. जैसे अभी यहाँ पर 10 है, 40 है, like that, या फिर 90 है. So whichever the number I'll be entering it, according to that I'll be getting the string value. So in case if I have got the percentage as a 30 marks, ठीक है, या फिर 20% ही मिला है, तो मतलब मेरा पॉइंटर इसके पास चेक करेगा. बोलो.
नेस्टेड इफ स्टेटमेंट एग्जाम के लिए ही नहीं है, ओमिट है.
ठीक है ना, नॉट एन इशू, बट यू शुड स्टडी, इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर
नहीं,
यू इन द
मुझे
10th स्टैंडर्ड.
नहीं, मैंने अभी कंफर्म किया मेरे फ्रेंड से, तो मैं आपको
Okay,
बता
okay.
रही हूँ. और
Fine.
उसके आगे का हम लोग को बताया नहीं है, अभी सिखाया ही नहीं है स्कूल
Okay.
में भी.
Okay.
मैम अभी
Now the pointer will be checking for each and every query. Getting it? That is for each and every condition the pointer is going to check it. So my whether the number, that is if I have secured the percentage as a 20, right? So 20 percentage, if it is greater than 85, 20 is less than equal to 100. No. So this only one condition is getting false, right? So what I wanted, that both the conditions should be gonna satisfied, then only the pointer is going to execute this looping part. So this is the enhanced technique of the logical and operator, that when the pointer is checking both the conditions and both the conditions are getting true, then only I'll be getting the output, or else straight away the pointer will be moving for the further conditions. So on it will move on till the else if तक. But अगर एक भी मेरा condition satisfy नहीं हो रहा है, then by default last else statement will be gonna, like 20 is greater than 30. No, but 20 is less than 40. So once again over here also one condition is getting satisfied, not the both the. Then last else part, sorry, you are a failed student. So in this way I'll be getting the output on my output screen. Getting it? So this is the functioning of the else if. That is, in the else if multiple conditions are there and multiple looping part is there. And one more enhanced technique is that in the else if you can take the two conditions at the same time with the help of the logical and operator. Getting it?
Yep.
Okay, so here we have completed with all the 5 variations. Now we'll move to the next topic as the system.exit 0, which is there in your textbook, page number 153. So what do you mean by exit? Exit means straight away it will be gonna terminating it outside the loop, right? So the same thing is over here also, that if pointer wants to exit from so and so loop or from a so specific loop. So for that purpose, I'll be making use of a exit function. So guys, keep it in mind, this is nothing but a function. Okay, so this is the functions which will help you to carry out this task. So see how the task is gonna implemented over here. That what is the task, that it will be running away straight away, it will be terminating it outside the looping part. So अगर मुझे वहां पर ही ब्रेक करना है, अगर किसी स्पेसिफिक प्रोग्रामिंग में या फिर स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन में, सो ओवर देयर आई विल बी मेकिंग यूज ऑफ अ सिस्टम डॉट एग्जिट. तो सी प्लस प्लस में एग्जिट करके फंक्शन यूज होता है, बट जावा में सिस्टम डॉट एग्जिट करके यूज करते हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि सिस्टम से एग्जिट करना है. So the different language, so obviously the different programming is the. So for you, it's having the exit zero, that is generally used to indicate successful termination. That means straight away it will be terminating it outside the loop. Henceforth, not any sort of a processing will be happening it in the programming. But if I'm taking it exit one, so that means it is indicating the unsuccessful termination, one or minus one, but this is not there in your syllabus. And one more thing, for making usage of an exit function, you have to make use of this package which is known as a java.lang.system.exit. So lang is nothing but the language, so java.language.system exit. Okay, so for making use of exit, so I'll be using this package over here. Getting it? I hope you are able to see the screen. So see here I have taken it as an array, that is int array 1 to 1 से लेके till 8 तक range है. Then I have make use of a for loop, I is equal to 0, I is less than arr, which is nothing but an array. Did we done with the for loop? No. Shall I explain you earlier? Yes.